Jai Gurtu to all of you. Myself Rohit Dutt and I'm taking our business studies class. So students, in our previous class we have seen the role of profit, business risk and its causes. Today we will be talking about the factors. Okay, what are the basic factors to be kept in mind before starting a business? Okay everyone. So this is our last topic of this chapter. So before we start again, I would like to remind that please go through the e-PDF of this chapter so that your learning can be more effective. Okay. So coming to the point, starting a business. Okay. Before we start any business, there are some basic factors that a person need to kept in his mind. Okay, so that he can efficiently and effectively achieve his goal. He can properly set up the business. There won't be any hurdles. Okay, so you can see in the screen itself, starting a business enterprise is similar to any other human efforts in which resources are employed, okay, to achieve certain objectives. Clear everyone? So coming to our first point, that is selection of business line. So selection of business line means the first thing to be decided by the entrepreneur is the line and type of business to be undertaking. Okay, everyone? Clear? He will obviously like to enter that branch of industry and commerce which has the possibility of greater amount of profit. Okay, so the decisions will be influenced by the customer requirement in the market and also the kind of technical knowledge and interest the entrepreneur has for producing a particular product. Second one is size of the firm. Size of the firm indicates small size or large size. Clear? So after deciding the line of business, the entrepreneur must decide whether he wants to set up a large scale or small scale of business. Clear everyone? Then coming to third point, that is choice of form of ownership. So a business organization may take the form of a sole proprietorship, partnership, or a joint stock company, whatever he likes. Okay, depending upon its capital. Clear? If he has a large capital, then he can go for joint stock company. If he has medium, not enough average amount, he can opt partnership, and small, then he can begin from sole proprietorship. Okay, so these forms of business organization we will be discussing in our new chapter, next chapter. Okay, coming to our next point, that is location of business enterprise. Okay, so the entrepreneur has to decide the place where the enterprise will be located. Okay, before taking this decision, he must find out availability of raw materials, power, labor, banking, transportation, etc. Whether these amenities are present over there or not, are easily available or not there. Clear everyone? Then coming to our next point, that is financing the proposition. So it is the concern with providing the necessary capital for starting, okay, as well as for continuing the proposed business. Then coming to next point, that is physical facilities. So availability of physical facilities including machines and equipment, building and supportive services is an important factor to be kept or to be considered at the starting of the business. You can see over here plant layout, point number 7. Okay, so the entrepreneur should draw a layout plan showing the arrangement of physical facilities. Clear? Then coming to next point, point number 8, competent and committed workforce. So the entrepreneur must identify the requirement of skilled and unskilled workers and managerial staff to perform various activities. Clear? Then coming to point number 9, that is tax planning. So the entrepreneur must try to analyze the types of taxes, as there are number of tax laws in the country which affect the functioning of a business. Clear? And finally, that is setting up of the enterprise or launching the enterprise. So after analyzing the above mentioned uh, points carefully, the entrepreneur can start the business, which would mean mobilizing various resources and completing legal formalities. Okay, so students, here I will end up this chapter, and tomorrow and in our next class we will be discussing case studies of this chapter. Okay, further if you are having any query, then please let me know. Jai Gurudev.